welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm PKN's publisher, Lindy Hewson, and this week's bulletin is brought to you by KM Packaging, specialists in high-performance lidding films and shaped pre-made pouches. Well, Planet Ark's National Recycling Week, which is celebrating 25 years since its launch, runs until Sunday this week, and is providing a good platform for brands to showcase their latest recycling initiatives and their moves towards sustainable packaging. With events and activities springing up all around the country to celebrate this very important campaign, the federal government has also weighed in, strongly urging Australians to buy recycled. Minister for the Environment, Susan Ley, said the government's planned $600 million recycling modernisation fund is now on track to exceed $800 million due to the increased business investment, and that it is time for consumers and industry to help close the loop by looking for goods that contain recycled content. Now, since the National Recycling Week campaign was founded back in 1996, the recycling rate in Australia has gone from just 7% and 1.5 million tonnes recycled to over 60% and 43 million tonnes. Translated, Aussies have increased annual recycling volumes from 80 kilograms to 1,700 kilograms per person. Planet Ark stats show that nearly 1.5 million more Australians know to keep soft plastics out of recycling bins in 2021 compared to 2019. Now this week, PKN also shines a spotlight on several brand and company initiatives which are walking the talk towards a lighter footprint. Firstly, fibre packaging converter Opal Group has worked with Tasmanian salmon producer Petuna to develop cardboard packaging containing more than 55% recycled paper for whole fish packaging and transportation. Petuna says the new packaging will divert more than 150,000 expanded polystyrene boxes from landfill annually. That's a great development. Then, international food company Danone has confirmed its plans to fully implement the Australasian Recycling Label, or ARL as we know it, across its entire range of locally made products by the end of 2023. Further, the Arnott group has shifted all its new point-of-sale displays across grocery and convenience channels to 100% recyclable alternatives, which are being rolled out from November. The new displays, developed in partnership with manufacturer Lithocraft, will also see the replacement of regular plastic clips with 100% recyclable paper clips and will utilize soluble varnish instead of laminates. The display towers are transported in cardboard boxes and any merchandising materials in compostable or biodegradable shrink wrap, which can be discarded in food organics bins. Moving on to Woolworths, its stores in Tasmania and Queensland are encouraging customers to help cut plastic in their regular shop by bringing their own reusable containers from home to fill up at the deli, meat and seafood counters. This follows a successful trial of the BYO container program at Woolworths' Crow's Nest store in New South Wales. Woolworths says trials will roll out across further stores in New South Wales and Victoria early next year. And on the international front, the Coca-Cola company has unveiled its first prototype 100% plant-based plastic beverage bottle. It excludes the cap and label, of course, using next-generation technologies developed by collaborative partners and which are ready to scale commercially. With 900 prototype bottles produced to date, the new prototype plant-based bottle is made from plant-based paraxylene, BPX, using a new process by Virent, which has been converted to plant-based terephthalic acid, BPTA. As the first beverage packaging material resulting from BPX produced at demonstration scale, this new technology signals a step change in the commercial viability of the biomaterial. According to the company, the BPX for this bottle was produced using sugar from corn, but the process lends itself to flexibility in feedstock. Well, to find out more about these stories and discover how you can do your bit to celebrate Recycling Week, go to our website, packagingnews.com.au. Thanks for watching, and remember to reuse, recycle and reduce. That's it from me, Lindy Hewson, signing off for the week.